Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Barnacle Boy back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to check your server and buying 250k worth of pro packs. Let's go. The first thing you want to do is search up hacking in the name bar. Then search up 999 111 999 444. The most things that come up will be your server. So mine's server 1, as you can see, and some people would like to troll you. You see how they put 4 there, and then there's let's see if there's another person trying to troll too. See, yeah, so that's how you check. Whatever one comes up first, more will be your server. I'm server 1. Let's get into the packs, boys. First pack, you gotta pull that gift though, you already know. Bang. Trash. Okay, let's try and pull another one. Boy, let's try and pull one, man. Bang. Kyle Rudolph. Trash. Alright. Bang. Dear God. What, dear God. Boy, what's his hairline? Like my boys. Bang. Another Kyle Rudolph, my boys. I'm salty. I really am. Bang, bang, bang. Dear God. Dad! Dad! Help me, Dad! Dad? Help me. Dad? Let's go! Matt 14 and a 4th and long gold. Game plan. Dude, this is a clutch pack, man. This is a really good pack. Matt 14, defensive 4th and long. Let's go, boys. But you know what we're looking for? We're looking for them presents, boys. Oh my God, boys. Rashad Jones to top off the other pack. And look at this, my boys. DeMarcus Ayers, dude. Dude, this guy, I gotta put him on my lineup, dude. You gotta, dude. Damn, shit, bro. Damn, dude. He will come in clutch for your team. You gotta, when you pull somebody like that, man, you gotta put him on your team. He will just go off for your team, bro. You gotta, all right. So, yeah, let's go, boys. Bang. Yeah, that was trash. That was a trash pack. Bang, bang. Dear God. Okay, Palmer Turner. Okay, 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 okay. Bang, 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 bang. What is with these ugly players, bro? Well, boys. Okay, okay. Bang. Dear God. Okay, let's open more, man. You gotta keep going. Bang. Trash. I cry every time. Like, who doesn't? Bang. Okay. Dude, this is sad. Where is my gift? I'm just wondering, where is my gift? Where? Lord, please. What are these pack odds? I thought they raised them. Like, if you go and watch my bundle opening, my 2 bundle opening, dude, literally, it was just sad. It was, like, really sad. I was, like, literally, it was sad, bro. I didn't pull nothing. Alright, let's try and pull something here, though, man. Gotta make up for it. Bro, this is nothing, man. Dude? Somebody's gotta help me. Oh my God. I cry every time. Bang. I'm not even gonna say anything, okay? Okay? Tears. Tears, bro. Tears. Bro, we got 60k worth of pro packs. Bang. We gotta pull something. If we don't pull anything, I'm gonna need a raw potato for for, I don't know, just because, yeah. Okay, let's go, boys. Bang. Oh my god, the rest of the pack is trash. Boys. Dude, I really want to pull that one with the X on it, because that thing's selling for like 9 mil, literally. Dang. 81 punt returner, okay. 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 Bang. Dude, this is trash, man. Bang. Guys, I am sleep, bro. Dude, we're about to be down to our last pro pack. Oh, Randy Moss, boys. Okay, alright, one more pro pack, guys. One more pro pack. Bang, 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 bang. Okay, guys, we got another pro pack. Let's go. This one better have a gift in it. Bang, bang, bang. Oh my god, dude. And I forgot I had another pro pack in here. Yeah. I don't know why. Dear God, what is with these ugly people, though? Oh my god, that was the worst pack I've ever seen. Man, we gotta do some gameplay with this guy, though. You gotta. Alright, guys, that's gonna end the video here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah!